Number 1. 1994 Chevrolet GMT-400, price $5,800, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine and rear-wheel drive. It delivers both performance and reliability. The truck features a lowered stance with a control system installed, giving it a sleek, aggressive look. Inside, everything works as it should. Lights, gauges, and windows are all in proper working order. Recent maintenance and upgrades include a brand new exhaust system installed in June, as well as Cooper Cobra radial G/T tires fitted in August. The last oil change was done at 175,600 miles, and the odometer currently shows 176,400 miles. While the body does have some scratches and fading, along with a crack in the front windshield, the truck still presents well and carries plenty of character. Number 2. 1987 Nissan Hardbody, price $7,995, with 195,000 miles on the odometer, a smooth-shifting manual transmission, and a strong gasoline-powered V6 engine. This truck has proven both its durability and dependability over the decades. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, it carries the unmistakable character of a well-preserved classic. Unlike many that have faded away, this hardbody has been carefully maintained by its current owner, a master-certified technician who operates a professional-level auto repair shop. Together with his team, he has invested significant time and expertise into restoring and servicing the truck to keep it roadworthy and reliable. Because of this dedication, the Nissan not only runs and drives as it should, but also retains the style and toughness that made it an icon. Known affectionately as Blue Mad Max, the truck has received the kind of attention that ensures it will be appreciated for years to come. Number 3. 1989 GMC 2500, price $5,995, having spent the last 30 years stored safely inside a garage and consistently maintained to the highest level. It currently shows 110,000 miles and runs on gasoline, with power delivered through a smooth automatic transmission. Under the hood, it is equipped with a rebuilt 350 engine that has only 30,000 miles since the rebuild, paired to a reliable turbo 400 automatic transmission. The truck stands out with its classic blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, both of which reflect the timeless style of the late 1980s. Comfort is enhanced with a newly installed AC compressor, ensuring it is ready for warm weather drives. Adding to its originality and value, this GMC still retains the original owner's manual, along with a long list of careful upkeep and improvements that show how well it has been cherished over the years. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1987 Ford F250, price $8,500. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a strong V8 big block 7.5L engine, running on gasoline. The truck features a 2x4 drivetrain, a clean title, and new plates with current tags valid through 2026. Finished in a brown exterior with a matching tan interior, this F250 is turnkey ready and runs smoothly. It has been fully detailed inside and out, making it as presentable as it is dependable. A number of important upgrades have recently been completed, including a new gas tank, brakes, steering gearbox, radiator, wheels, tires, mirrors, taillights, bed liner, alternator, and several other miscellaneous parts under the hood. With these updates, this Ford is ready for both reliable everyday use and weekend cruising. Number 5. 1969 Ford F250, price $4,900. This truck has 158,000 miles on it and comes finished in a striking yellow exterior with a matching yellow interior. Powered by a strong V8 360 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission, it delivers reliable performance on the road. The truck is equipped with electronic ignition, power brakes, and power steering, making it both dependable and easier to handle. Recent updates include a rebuilt carburetor, new fuel pump and fuel lines, a fresh temperature sensor, front brake wheel cylinders, an electronic ignition module, a new battery, gas tank, sending unit, distributor cap, rotor, and spark plugs. It has also recently received an oil change, lubrication, and a full fluid check. While there is a small amount of rust in the cabin bed, the truck remains very solid overall. Number 6. 1971 Ford F100, price $9,500. This truck has 154,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in green with a matching green interior, it runs on gasoline and carries plenty of vintage charm. The owner has invested a lot of work into it recently, including installing new tires, a new starter and flywheel, and redoing the interior to give it a fresh look. The brakes have been fixed, new marker lights and bulbs have been added, and the carburetor gasket has been replaced. The truck runs and drives well once it's on the move, though to be transparent, it does occasionally shut off when coming to a stop, likely just needing a simple carburetor adjustment. Number 7. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, powered by a 5.7L engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in red with a brown interior, it features a 3/5 lowering kit with rear C-notch, aftermarket exhaust, staggered 15-inch American Racing Torque thrust wheels, and a hardtop bed cover. The clean interior shows no cracks in the dash and has been upgraded with 2 JL 12-inch subs, an Alpine amp, and a Kenwood head unit. Recent maintenance includes a new water pump, new belt, fresh filters, and electric fans. It runs and shifts well but does have some age-related issues: minor oil burn, peeling clear coat, bed damage on the driver's side rear, slow spinning starter, hyper-flashing blinkers, and a cracked windshield. With a little TLC, this Chevy remains a solid and stylish driver. Number 8. 1996 GMC 1500, price $3,500. This truck comes with a clean Arizona title and has 242,000 original miles on it. Powered by the reliable Vortec 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, the truck runs great and cruises comfortably at 75 miles per hour. It features a silver exterior with a gray interior, both of which are in solid condition, though the carpet shows a few spots. The cabin is equipped with ice-cold air conditioning, cruise control, power mirrors, and fully functioning gauges and lights. The interior remains well kept overall, while the passenger side of the truck shows some hail damage. Despite the mileage, this Sierra remains a dependable and smooth driving pickup. Number 9. 1978 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, powered by a strong 350 engine that could use a little carburetor attention to run perfectly. It's equipped with an automatic transmission, specifically a 700R4 taken from a Corvette paired with a small stall converter, and runs on gasoline. The truck comes in a blue exterior with a clean blue interior, featuring a custom seat and headliner, and all gauges work either on the dash or through aftermarket units mounted under the dash. Mechanically, it has been well cared for, with 3.73 gears and limited slip, along with all new brakes, rotors, drums, shocks, and front control arms. It also sports a true dual exhaust that gives it a solid sound. The truck rides on new BF Goodrich tires, and a quality stereo system with a sub-an amp has been installed for modern convenience. Despite having spent its entire life in Arizona, the truck is impressively clean, showing no rust anywhere except for 2 very small surface spots. Number 10. 1987 GMC 2500, price $4,900. This pickup is a classic truck that runs and drives great. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a brand new Jasper engine with less than 300 miles on it, ensuring reliability and smooth performance. The truck features a striking blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, giving it a timeless look. It runs on gasoline and has been kept in solid condition with good tires, strong brakes, and a protective bed liner. The truck holds a clean title, though it will require new registration. Overall, this GMC 2500 stands as a dependable and well-maintained classic, ready for the road.